This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about bottles, specifically these French countryside 10-ounce square glass bottles with tamper-evident caps. They're 2¼ inches wide by 6½ inches tall. In addition to this 10-ounce size, they're also available in a 16-ounce size as well if you're looking for a larger bottle. One of the great features about these glass bottles is that they can be reused over and over again. And if needed or desired, you can purchase more of the caps separately as well. The premium glass is transparent and shows off your beverages. So these are a great option for packing up smoothies, juices, teas, cocktails, or just lemonade. The caps let your customers know that they're untouched and help to prevent spills as well. So when they're unscrewed after they're put on, the little bottom edge is going to rip away. So it's going to let people know if someone's tried to open that bottle before them. They're crafted with premium soda lime glass, so they are durable and won't shatter or break easily, which means that you can recycle these over and over again in your business and get a lot of use out of them. They really capture the look and charm of little milk bottles, so they're just a nice added touch to your drink service. These are fantastic to use to bottle up drinks for bars at events, whether that's something non-alcoholic like an iced tea or lemonade, or a signature cocktail that you want to have iced down and ready to go, just to help speed up the line at cocktail hour, or even things like a juice or smoothie bar. They make a fantastic to-go option or for a grab-and-go section for beverages for cafes or other retail shops.